September 16th. This is Dave Dispinette with the Stock Playbook. A small, little, teeny-weeny little sample of what we do on a nightly basis for our subscribers. Sign up for a free trial. All it costs you is an email address. All right, we're going to stop doing the free trials more than likely soon. We'll have a money-back guarantee. We're not looking to dupe anybody into paying us, but I think we can help you. Dow Jones up 75 points, 0.7%. NASDAQ Composite 15 points, 0.6%. S&P 500 up 6 points, 0.6%. Today, volume picked up across all three indexes. That had to do with triple witching. Okay, quadruple witching actually. Options expiration. We'll see next week. By Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll have a good feel whether or not this rally's got any legs. I don't anticipate us having much more to the upside. 12.30, 12.25, 12.40 even. But that's about as far, I think, as we go. And then I think it's back down lower. Unless we see some sort of QE3 coming out of the Fed on Wednesday, which I don't anticipate. That might be the catalyst that has us rolling over. Netflix. Another 8%, 9% lower after 20% yesterday. Continues to look like it wants to go lower. The stock is going under 100. If you want to lock in some profits, in our videos tonight we talk about a couple ways to do that. By selling some downside puts, maybe buying some upside calls. But Netflix, one that we gift wrapped for you. Talking about gift wrapping, Diamond Foods, DMND. We talked about the $75 and the $80 calls. If you bought the $75 calls, today those calls went from 3 to over 12. If you bought the $80 calls, they went from $1 to 7. That's right, $1 to 7. 600% in a day. That was at the close. They were actually up much more than that. At one point today, they were up at $10 when this thing traded above $90. $1 to $10. That's 900% in a day. We got some more. Red Hat next week. It will not be like Diamond Foods. A lot more people follow Red Hat, but we're already profitable. We talked about this trade for a while. Salesforce.com is one I think that will trade off of the strength of Red Hat. You got to ask yourself, if you're not listening to our trials, did you have RPXC flagged? This week we did. Kang Hui Holdings, KH. Look at these moves. Up 20% today. We had it heavy volume. Why? Because of the volume. We look for heavy volume compared to its average daily to the upside. Price and volume in conjunction. That's what goes ahead and separates stock. You can see any stock could go up or down 3 and 4% in a day. It's when they go up with heavy volume. That's telling you that institutions are coming out, like you saw back here and again here. You got a stock, if builds a base, and now we're moving. You talk about volume and the being footprints in the sand. How about Silicon Motion Tech? Here's a stock that averages 438,000 shares a day. It's traded 1 million shares every day this week till today. 1.3 on Tuesday, 1.2, 1.1. Today, just shy of 1 million. That's nice volume to the upsides. This stock breaks out of a real nice base. Silicon Motion Tech. If we had a terminology like 5-star whammy jammy, we'd probably throw it on this name. Now that doesn't mean you go run out and buy it today or tomorrow or Monday, at $13.50. That would make you dumb money. You wait for these things to pull back into an opportune area. A pullback to 11, 11.5. I can even make a case for 12. That would be a good entry level. You buy it up here, there's a good chance you get shaken out on an orderly pullback right before this stock moves up into the mid to upper teens. Silicon Motion. You want some more ideas? Sign up for our free trial. I think you'll like what we had to say tonight. Have a good night, a good weekend. I will talk with you on Monday.